Hello Internet. Today we have BUER Baby Care Bottle Water Heater. The description claims it has E2 error. As I struggle with cable tie, we can take a look at Le Manuel. It's pretty useless, no errors, descriptions. So just a quick power up to see if the error is still there. We can also check if the heater is turning on. As you can see, nothing is happening. Mr. BUER don't want us inside, but we have the rock on our side and also a triangle screwdriver. So it's pretty obvious cable was a rip off the plug. But it's also pinched. Just going to fit it back. It could have been ripped by the assembly process. That's why the cable is pinched. As we are inside, we can also check what kind of temperature sensor they use by measuring the resistance of cold sensor and then just a bit of heat. I will also check the bimetallic fuse. And see what's the heater resistance. One crimp looks a bit dodgy, but it should be fine. I will connect the sensor and we give it a try. It comes on with set temperature. But is it heating? This is the heat from previous test. You can see it's the sensor. So I forgot to turn it on. Now you can see the heat on the heater. It's probably not a good idea to heat without water. So let me put it together and we can try it with some water from the Nile. I don't know why I'm just pressing random buttons. Water from the Nile. More random button presses. And we can start the clock. If you like watching water heats, here's a time lapse. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching.